Is humanity the only life in the universe? Or are there other intelligent beings in the universe looking up into the night sky from very different worlds and asking the same question? We all at some point in our life spend time thinking about whether aliens are real or not. There are many mysteries in the world that we don't know about. The idea of aliens is one of them, and it has been a subject of debate for a long time. We need to know about aliens because they are part of the universe, and it's our job as humans to explore them. We also need to know about them because there is a chance that they exist, and we should be prepared for that event if it happens. The majority of people believe in the existence of aliens. According to a poll conducted by Ipsos Mori, 54% of Americans believe that aliens exist. There are many different reasons why people believe in the existence of aliens. Some people believe that life on Earth is too perfect and that it must have been created by some other life form. Other people think that we are being visited by extraterrestrial beings, or that there is a possibility for extraterrestrial life to exist because there are billions and trillions of galaxies with stars and planets. Here are the 5 signs that aliens might be real. Number 5, the Drake equation. The Drake equation is a probabilistic argument used by scientists to determine the possibility of life on other planets. It is used to answer the question, what is the probability that intelligent life exists beyond Earth? The equation was created in 1961 by Frank Drake, a radio astronomer and astrophysicist. It combines many factors such as star formation rates, average number of stars with planets, probability of stars having planets that can support life, number of these Earth-like planets that can actually support life, and finally the number of civilizations that we might be able to communicate with. Number 4, gravitational microlensing. Gravitational microlensing is a method of detecting exoplanets. It is based on the gravitational effects of a lensing body, that is usually a star, on light from another more distant star. Gravitational microlensing is an astronomical phenomenon where light from one star is bent around another, closer star. This effect can be used to detect planets around stars that would otherwise be too far away to detect by any other method, and has been used to find many previously unknown extrasolar planets. The first exoplanet discovered using this technique was found in 1994 by Jeff Marcy and his graduate student Paul Butler. Number 3, the Fermi Paradox. The Fermi Paradox is a paradox that asks the question, where is everybody?
She's not in there, is she?
This is a paradox that has been debated for decades. It has been a question that has puzzled scientists, philosophers, and other thinkers since the 1950s when it was first proposed by physicist Enrico Fermi. Fermi was talking about the possibility of life on other planets in our galaxy. It was one of his questions to try and answer the problem of whether or not we are alone in the universe. The idea behind this paradox is that if intelligent life exists anywhere else in our galaxy, then it would have existed long enough ago to have colonized it by now. Number 2, Earth's habitable zone distance and potential for life on Mars. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has a habitable zone. This zone is the region in which water can exist on a planet's surface and life as we know it can exist. Mars, while not as hospitable as Earth, is still within the habitable zone of our solar system. While there are many factors that make Mars less hospitable than Earth, Mars' atmosphere could be changed to make it more like Earth's atmosphere. Number 1, extraterrestrial solar systems and alien contact scenarios with Earthlings. It is not a secret that the existence of extraterrestrial life is a subject of much debate. Some believe they exist while others do not. The latter, in particular, are convinced that it would be impossible for life to exist outside the Earth's atmosphere. There are many reasons why we should be looking for extraterrestrial life and contact scenarios with Earthlings. First of all, it would give us an opportunity to find out if there are other forms of intelligent life in the universe and how they might differ from us. Secondly, it would give us an opportunity to learn more about our own species and who we really are as a civilization. When it comes to the topic of UFOs, it's hard not to get swept up in the excitement. With all the sightings and stories that have been told over the years, it's no surprise that people are curious as to whether or not aliens exist. Some people believe that these UFOs are a sign of extraterrestrial life, while others think they're just a figment of our imagination. Whether or not there's life on other planets, it's hard to say for sure. But there are plenty of people who have seen UFOs and have just as many theories about what they could be. So, if you're curious about where these mysterious crafts might come from, let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and comment and let us know your thoughts. Subscribe now for weekly videos where we answer all your curious thoughts.